Google just made unlocking your phone faster and more convenient. With Android 16 Beta 3, you can now unlock your Pixel with just a touch, even when the screen's off. Is this a game changer? Let's find out. No more waking up your screen just to unlock your phone. The screen off fingerprint unlock feature is here, and it works across all Pixel devices. But how does it work? And should you enable it? Stick around to get all the details. Until now, Pixel phones required you to turn the screen on before using the fingerprint sensor. But with Android 16 Beta 3, that step's gone. Just touch the sensor and boom, your phone's unlocked instantly. This feature was initially available only for the Pixel 9 series and Android 16 developer preview 2, but now Google is rolling it out to all Pixels, even older models like the Pixel 6a and Pixel 7 Pro. Want to turn it on? It's easy. Go to Settings, tap on Security and Privacy, select Device Unlock, and click on Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Now toggle Screen Off Fingerprint Unlock on. Once enabled, just rest your finger on the sensor and your phone unlocks instantly. No more extra steps. Perfect for those who rely on fingerprint unlocking for quick access. So, what do you think? Will you be using the Screen Off Fingerprint Unlock feature? Let us know in the comments.